Okay, we're going to do number 23. It's an equation. Okay, so we're not solving a system, we're just doing a straight equation.
Okay.
So what's our first step?
Distribute.
Distribute. So 4 times -2?
Negative
8.
plus
4 times 5x, pause on 5x.
Positive
20x.
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 Positive 2.
2 times 1 is positive 2. 2 times
Negative
-6x, negative 12x equals x plus 5x.
Can we just
What do we do next?
Can we just combine terms?
Combine like terms on each side. So how many x's do we have on the left?
1. Oh,
Eight.
2.
We have 20 and we have -12.
8x.
So we have 8 x's. And how many integers do we have on the left?
Negative 6.
We have -8 and we have 2.
Negative 6.
-6. And then we have 1x and we have 5x, so we have a total of
6
Is this
x's.
like order of operation? Yeah, oh, absolutely.
Oh, you can.
So if we isolate the variable expression on one side, the easiest way or the fewest steps would be to bring them all over here. So we want to move the 8x to the other side of the tracks. How are we going to do that?
Subtract
Subtract 8x from both sides or add a -8x. So -6 equals -2x. Okay? To get x by itself, what are we going to do?
Divide.
Divide both sides by -2. So x equals +3 because it's a negative by a negative. Okay? Because that's it. Except, do you ever have to get an equation wrong?
No.
Never ever.
That's easy.
Because what you do is you go back and you write the original equation. Except, you know what x is. So every time you see an x, you substitute your answer.
That's easy.
Plus 2, 1 minus 6 times 3 equals 3 plus 5 times 3. And you just solve it using the order of operations. So, 4 times -2 plus 5 times 3? 15. Plus 2 times 1 minus 6 times 3. This is the check. 18.
Right.
Equals 3 plus 5 times 3? 15. So 4 times -2 plus 15? 13. Plus 2 times 1 minus 18? Negative 17. Equals 3 plus 5? 18. What's 4 times 13? We are checking it. 4 times 13? 52, because there's 13 cards in a suit. 2 times -17? -34 equals 18. What's 52 minus 34? Is it really 18?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is. Guess what? It checks and we get it right. But we know we got it right because we checked it. Now, what do you do first if it didn't check?
There's something wrong
Then
with
you
the
gotta go
problem.
back to the problem and see what you did.
Okay, I had a student last period who pointed out something really good. He said, first I go back and I check it again. Because most of the time I make a mistake when I checked it. I check it again. And if it's still wrong, then I go back and I redo the problem. And I thought that was really wise because I usually erase the whole thing and I get the same answer again. It was something wrong with my check. So I thought that was a really good piece of advice.